This is a small demonstration of the assignment for the console application. So this is my first console application running. At first, I'm going to enter my name, my city. When it gives us the answers, and pressing to continue. Today's date is 20 April 2021, and there are 248 days until Christmas. Pressing to continue. That was the Glazer app. The width I'm gonna put like 3. The height I'm gonna put 5. That's the calculation. The length of the wood is 52 feet, and the area of the glass is 30 square meters. Thank you so much.